ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವೈಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ CCTV ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is this?
That is what we registered a case. The allegation, my lord.
ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಿ ಕಟ್ಟಾಕ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. What is this? Rule of law na ಏನಿದು? What is this? Whoever it is stripped him completely and done it.
Yes,
and police are appeasing those persons. Sir, ಇದೇ ತರ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇದೇ ತರ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ಟಾಕ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಯಾರು ಕಟ್ಟಾಕಿದಾರೆ ಅಂತ FIR
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ. Is this the way? ಈ ಬೇಡದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ದೇಶ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
My submission would be, my lord, on 14(6), please, my lord, the petitioner, he being an unsound mind, please, my lord, the allegation in the complaint would be that, please, my lord, he has destroyed, my lord, the lightings in the name board, please, my lord. My lord, the name board which relates to, please, my lord, B.R. Ambedkar is concerned. It is on this context, please, my lord, the crime is being registered. Now what happens, my lord, one submission, my lord, what happens, my lord, certain persons, my lord, they were protesting. The SP of the, my lord, jurisdictional district goes to the spot and gives a, my lord, a statement as that of a politician. Naan ಇವನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಡಿಪಾರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನಾನು ಇವನ್ ಮೇಲೆ FIR ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ?
ಹೌದು. I have a video. I will register, my lord, an FIR. I will open a rowdy sheeter.
Who is this SP?
I'll open a rowdy sheeter. As good of a politician, please, my lord, he is making a statement and pacifying the, my lord, the persons who are protesting there is concerned. My lord, if this is the nature, please, my lord, what justice, my lord, the petitioner would get at the hands of the respondent police.
So where is
the video? Kodi.
My lord, I ಈಗಲೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Let him place it, my lord.
ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ I'll begin to watch videos here.
Let him.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ. Because whatever is shot on the camera is incapable of bias, incapable of being tampered. Kodi. ಇವ್ರ SP ನಾ?
ನನಗೀಗ ಗಡಿಪಾರ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನನಗೆ.
ಏನಿದು? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ರೌಡಿ ಶೀಟರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವೀಗ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರಿ, ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನಿದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು tied that person to the rope ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡೆದು
ನೋಡಿ, ಗೂಂಡಾ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತರಬಹುದು, ಅದ್ ಏನಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ. What is this?
Your lordship may kindly peruse it. This particular person was tied to a pole. He was hit naked.
ಯಾರು?
My lord, the persons who were, my lord, protesting. ನಾನು 54 ಜನ ನಮ್ಮ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು SP ಗೆ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್. ಅವರು ಸಬ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ to the jurisdictional person is concerned. Till today, please, my lord, no action is being taken. Kindly peruse the photographs which are produced along with the petition, please.
No.
Case and counter case has been registered.
Whatever it is, the SP has no business to talk like this. That he has powers to open a rowdy sheeter, powers to extern someone, we will do it.
Literally,
what is this appeasement of this kind? ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವೈಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
No, he seems to be at least. I'll speak, my lord. Subject to clarification.
Then what is the policing that he is doing?
He seems to be saying.
Alla, whatever. See, there is a squabble, case and counter case. Reason may be any manifold reasons squabble happens. Why is this man saying to the other side that ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರಿ, ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ರೌಡಿ ಶೀಟರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇವ್ರ ಗೂಂಡಾ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ಆ ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾ ಈ ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ?
He seems to be suggesting that if you continue these kind of things, these are the things which you will have to be facing.
No. First ಶುರುಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಇದೆ. This is the best way to tackle all these policemen. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ CCTV ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಮಲಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅನ್ಸೌಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಂಬ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ್ಗೆ 19 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಡುಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮೆಲಾಟ್ ಅಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ
Page
ಇದೆಯಾ?
number 41 may
If
be
at all,
perused,
please,
my
my lord,
lord.
he has committed that particular
Given by the
crime.
father of the
They would have
accused.
handed over it to the police is
No,
concerned.
no, what is this?
That is why I made a last time.
No, what is this?
We have, that is what we have registered a case, my lord,
Against whom?
against the person who tied. We have
Unknown
registered a
So
case.
who is that? Who is that?
My lord, unknown persons, please, my lord.
The allegation, my lord, they.
ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಿ
Thousands
ಕಟ್ಟಾಕ್
of-
ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದಾರೆ. What is
He
this?
is
Thousands
literally,
of
my lord,
ಏನು ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್
dying.
ಲಾನ ಏನಿದು? What is this?
A allegation.
This is why I've been telling daily, this state is in anarchy now. ಯಾವ ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
No, my lord, we have registered a case against those people who tied him. We have registered a case.
Who is, what is happening with that
The
case?
allegation is that this man, this seems to be unsound man.
ಅಲ್ಲ
has-
unsound, ಅದು unsound man. Yeah,
ಅಲ್ಲ.
My lord,
May say
what is
something.
this?
May say something, my lord. It is not that we have done it,
Tell you stripped him completely and,
not we.
ಅಲ್ಲ, these, whoever it is, stripped him completely and
Yes,
done
my
it.
lord. Yes,
And
my lord.
police are appeasing those persons.
No, they're not
But
appeasing.
then what is that saying that ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಗುಂಡ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದು
No, I-
ಎಲ್ಲಾಗತ್ತಿವಲ್ಲ? Nowhere in the world this
I'll
happens.
secure the
In any
entire,
democratic setup, this does not happen.
no, I'll secure the entire report, my lord, but I don't think so. What my learned friend is saying that it is only to extent of cutting and showing what, I'll place
ಅಲ್ಲ,
the
ನಾನು
entire
cutting-
video.
One minute.
My lord,
This
ಈ
is
ಹಿಂದೆ
the
ಒಂದು-
photograph.
My lord,
That
ಈ
is-
ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಇದೇ ತರ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಸರ್, ಇದೇ ತರ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇದೇ ತರ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ?
ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿತ್ತು my lord. ಅದನ್ನ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವರು ಈ ತರ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜನನ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗೋದನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್
ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ
ಆಶ್ವಾಸನೆ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಗಲಾಟೆ
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಗಲಾಟೆ
ನೀವು
ಆದ್ರೆ-
ಮೇಲೆ ರೌಡಿ ಶೀಟರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮೇಲೆ ಯೂತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಆತರ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಾನು ಆತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ
ಆ
ಹಾಗಾಗಿ
ತರ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಗಲಾಟೆ
ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಂತ
ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಸುಮ್ನೆ.
ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ಅಂಡ್ ಯಾರು ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ? ನೀವು
Thousands of people were there.
ಥೌಸಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಇದನ್ನ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ಎರಡು
I have named 50 persons, my lord.
ಅನ್ಸೌಂಡ್
100 persons.
ಅನ್ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ my lord. ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 41 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ my lord. There is no
ಏನಂತ?
single word used my son is the unsound mind. ನನ್ ಮಗ ಅನ್ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು,
Only
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ,
before-
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ಟಾಕ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಅದು ಯಾರು ಕಟ್ಟಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ FIR
ಯಾರು
ಆಗಿದೆ my
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
lord.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ? ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ
ನಡೀತಾ
ವೇ?
ಇದೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ my lord.
ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಅವರೇ ನೋಡಿ,
No, I've seen
ಇಸ್
my
ದಿಸ್
lord.
ದ ವೇ?
No, in fact, my lord, your lordship wanted to stay this proceeding. I made a submission saying that the boy has been stripped and tied to the pole. Therefore, I requested your lordship to allow us
He
to
is
continue
stripped
investigation.
naked.
Yes, my lord, yes. That is why I made a request, my lord, your lordship may recall, that is why I made a request saying that we staying this proceeding will also stay that proceeding. Therefore, I requested allow us to into investigation. Therefore, your lordship allowed us to continue investigation. I've seen this photograph. It's not a first, last time only when my
Nearly
lordship
100
produced it.
persons,
Page
my lord.
number
None of
23
them, my
maybe.
lord, no steps
Page
have
number
been taken.
23 my lord.
ನೀವು ಜನಗಳು ಈ ಬೇಡದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದೇಶ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಿಂದ
only the
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ?
complainant, my lord.
ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ನೀವು
I'm
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್
forwarding the
ಯಾರು
complaint.
ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ಅವರು ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಯಾರಿಗ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು? ನಿಮಗೆ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರೋ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ನೀವು ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋದು. ಯಾಕೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ?
ಅದೇ ತರ
ಏನು ಗಲಾಟೆ
incident.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
It is a political
Exactly.
lord.
ಆಯ್ತಾ? It is political rivalry.
my lord.
And who is benefited out of this? Who is benefited out of this? ನೀವು politicians followers ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ who is benefited out of this? ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡೆದಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನೀವು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಸು, ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕೇಸು, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಯಾರು? ನೀವು ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಇದು. ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಹಿಮ್ ನೇಕೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Even
ಮಾಡಿ.
assuming that, my lord, that person has committed a crime, but this is not an act which can be justified.
ನೋ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಜಸ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೂ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ.
What I'm saying, my lord, the fact that they're stripped and tied, that cannot be justified by any means.
This cannot be accepted in a democratic setup at all. We are not, sir, we are not in a, even in the worst of regimes, these things have stopped happening long ago. Not in this country.
There is no way one can justify that act. I'm sorry, my lord, but incident has happened, but there is no way one can justify whatever reason it is.
Before
And
this
that is why, my
incident,
lord, I made a submission.
for
In
2
fact,
days
your
they
lordship
have
wanted to
obtained
stay
a
this
medical
proceeding.
slip.
And I made a submission saying that this is, the serious offense is that we need to investigate that.
Lord, discharge summary, my lord, is a person of unsound mind.
Before this incident, before 2 days, my lord, they have obtained one slip and He is
No,
also a
whatever-
BA graduate, my lord. There is
Allah,
no
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ-
single word
ಇದ್-
about the unsoundness
ಅದು
of
ಯಾ-
mind
ಏನಾರ
in a
ಆಗ್ಲಿ.
complaint given by his father.
Sir, sound mind, unsound mind. Can this be
My lord,
accepted?
it is a pre-planned
Allah,
to,
a pre-planned, whatever,
the lot of people will
pre-planned,
do
executed plan or whatever, investigation should go on. ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್
I have
ಮೇಲೆ
named, my lord,
ಆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
page number,
ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ತಾನೇ ಇದು.
yes,
You give the report of investigation, whatever you have done.
number 35.
ಈಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೂರ್ತಿ. Give the papers of investigation. ಇದು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ನಡೀಲಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
Please,
ಆಗ್ಲಿ.
as far as interim bail is concerned, my lord.
ಏನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಬೇಲ್ ಏನು?
In fact, I've made a submission, will not arrest. I don't know why. that-
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು maintainability ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, maintainability maintainability stands overruled. The issue is a case and a counter case. The act of the complainants, the complainants against a particular person being tied to the stone wall, stripping him naked and beaten, is an act which cannot be countenanced by any stretch of imagination. The photographs that are appended to the petition depict an appalling situation, all for certain act, all for a reason ಹೇಳೋದ್ ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ. Yes, all for a particular reason. In the light of the issue being projected as a case and a counter case, the case and a counter case, investigation in the case at hand is a must. The investigation both in the case and in the counter case, both in the case and the counter case, the report of the papers of investigation conducted till the next date be placed before this court by the investigating agency. The learned SPP, the undertaking record ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. In the garb of investigation, no coercive steps will be taken against the accused in each of the cases, but the accused are
Accused in this.
accused in this case, and the investigation, the accused, subject to the condition that the accused would cooperate with the investigation. Yes.
My named 100 persons ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. My lord, if
Let my learned
permit,
friend, I'll also have a,
It is the duty of investigation officer.
will do it.
name the persons.
Who are all the
But
present,
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
they have to
ಯಾಕೆ-
investigate.
ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Why these
The
persons
learned,
are part
wait,
in the-
sir,
My
the
lord,
learned counsel for the petitioner has filed a memo indicating about how many names?
My lord, 100.
About 100 names of persons who are alleged to have acted in the aforesaid act. The investigating officer shall also look into the role of those persons as is produced before the court.
Copy is given.
Huh?
Copy is given to me.
The copy shall be handed over to the learned SPP.
My lord, the reason for not securing bail is that, please, my lord, none of them, my lord, come forward, my lord, for this particular person, my lord, to file a bail application. I've stated in
You
my
are in
parrot-
custody.
Allah custody, at earlier point of time, my lord, I was under medication, I was under treatment. Now I have been discharged. Now by virtue of your lordship is concerned, please, my lord, I am in the custody of my parents is concerned.
No, in fact, my lordship, may recall, my lord, your lordship in fact wanted to stay this. I made a submission by
ಹೌದು,
showing
yes.
all these things, and this is
ಸ್ಟೇ ಆದ್ರೆ
happening
ಅದು
as-
ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತು.
Statement,
ಹ್ಮ್?
date,
ಸ್ಟೇನಾ?
date.
Date, yes. 20 August,
further here.
further hearing, 20th August at 3:30 PM for further hearing.